站内买进慎州东站，请坐好扶稳。
下車。超緊張你買啲熱車都要有。
车辆即将到达螺旋2路站，请乘客带好随身物品，等待车门打开后，再走开安全带下车。欢迎下次乘坐。请各位乘客系好安全带。
This is the Driverless pass in Guangzhou. We are now on an island. The lowbird pass is very comfortable to sit in. This is the screen. We can see the pass is directing precisely. It's very comfortable. This is the route. It's very clean. You can see. Each time 8 passengers at most are allowed it. In Guangzhou, it's very good experience to take a ride of the lowbird bus. Oh, this is a lowbird cleaning machine. Very nice. And the price for the bus is only about it's $0.5 US for one person only. So $1 is for 2 persons. Very cheap. See, this is cleaning machine, no man inside. High tech is used in Guangzhou in many areas. Okay, very comfortable. Every time just $0.5 for one person, and it means one person for two persons. $1 for two persons. Very cheap. It's very clean. Very clean. And each time 8 persons at most are allowed this in the bus. Very comfortable. And now we are on a small island. You can see the environment is excellent. This is a very good experience of high technology in Guangzhou. Lovebird. This bus is full of romantic lovebird bus.
车辆即将出发，请乘客系好安全带，坐稳扶好。
We are now on another lovebird bus. This bus looks more romantic. A journey of love. Because this is the day after Chinese Valentine's Day. So the car was decorated with romantic elements. The lovebird bus is very clean. There's even a table here. Each time at most 8 persons are allowed in the bus.
酒店，请乘客带好随身物品，等待车门打开后再解开安全带下车。欢迎下次乘坐。
This is one stop. Person come in and down. Okay. Now there are passengers to come inside.
欢迎下次乘坐。